was her name, and not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped the line and danced together to the moon. But where was June? No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words, but then the meaning wouldn't pass. God, I miss the girl, and I go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. And Aubrey was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I love her name. Wish that I could find a way, and the reason that would make them say, I have learned to live a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one I want, I'll do without the bed. How I miss the girl, and I'll go 1,000,000 times around the world just to say